Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how you can register your domain name. So it's going to be part of a series where we will be deploying our Django application into a DigitalOcean server. Because let's face it, most of our projects are mostly always just running on our local machine. But one of the big steps that you can make towards your career is to get your application online so that you can share it with everyone. To do that, the first thing that you need to do is to get a quality domain using domain name registrars such as Namecheap. In this video, I'm going to walk you from the process of searching the domain. So if you're interested in buying a domain name and also setting up custom name servers but you're not sure how to do it, then this video is right for you. So let's jump right into it. So the first thing that you need to do is that you need to come to namecheap.com. That's the registrar that I'm going to use. Then over here you can see that you have different options. You have an option to transfer and also an option to register. So the one that we're interested now is the one to register. So the one that we're making is for a Django project that I've been working on. It's just a fictional website that I created to demonstrate how to deploy and also register domain. So it's called fitleague.com. Fitleague. So you can just say .com. So if I do that, just give it a second to search. Then you can see some of the results have popped up here. Fitleague.com was fitleague.2. Again, let's scroll down and check for another one. Okay, let's do fitleague.store. Let's check if fitleague.store is available. Yeah, so fitleague.store, then you're going to search it. Okay, yeah, so fitleague.store is available, so we're going to add this one to cart. Okay, once you add it to cart, you also get some add-ons over here that they normally recommend that you. So I don't want any of those, so I'm just going to keep it domain name. Then the next thing that you're going to do is to say, so you can see a summary here. I've also set the domain privacy to enable. Then premium DNS, no, I don't need a premium DNS. Now the next thing that you need to do is to just go ahead and confirm your order. If you do have a promo code, you can add it over here. Then I don't have a promo code for this one. I'm just going to confirm my order by hitting confirm order. Then now you get the summary. It's now time to pay. We're just going to say pay now. So I've set up my card payments here, so I'm just going to hit pay now. And yes, I have successfully purchased my domain name. As you can see, the thank you for the purchase email. And now if I go back to my account and click on dashboard, you can see that I have my fitleague.store domain. So this is just for a fictional website that I'm creating, which I'll be demonstrating how you can deploy your application via DigitalOcean. So once you have this one set up, the next thing that you need to do is that you need to update the name servers. Right now they are pointing to the Namecheap's name servers, but since you are going to deploy the application via DigitalOcean, the first thing that you need to do is to add custom name servers, and custom name servers are basically the name servers for digital. Then to add the custom name servers, you need to click on manage. Then under name servers, we need to choose custom DNS. Then now we need to add those name servers from DigitalOcean. So over here I have the name servers over here in this DigitalOcean page, so I'm just going to copy the first one. Then name server 1 is going to be ns1.digitalocean.com. then the second one is ns2, so I'm just going to update it accordingly. Then I'm also going to add the third one, that is name server 3. Then once you are done, remember to save. So just hit save. Okay, so once you've saved, you can see that they have been successfully saved, but now DNS server records may take up to 48 hours to take effects. Really, they don't normally take that long. It can take up to 2 hours to save. we're just going to give it time. You can use tools such as DNS checker to check if they have propagated accordingly. So that is how we buy a domain name and also add our custom DNS records for the hosting company that you are going to work with. So that is it for our today's video. So in the next one, we'll be deploying this application. We'll learn how to manage static files accordingly and how to use Nginx, Gunicorn and HTTPS to properly deploy our Django application. So that's it for today, and see you in the next one.